John Boat Project Part
All right,
1.
here she is. I think it's on a jet ski trailer, 12 foot by 36. Inside is solid. That wood is for this transom here. It's a little, looks like someone hit the piss out of something with this. Yeah, I don't know about all that. I don't know if JB Weld is gonna be enough to save that. That's whatever, replace that wheel. I'm using this to extend this, because this is pretty short. Pretty good right here. That's hard to find for a good one. This tire is no bueno. Yeah, I think they ripped the transom out of this bad boy. Okay, so we have these two out. That should allow us to get the boards in there. I'm not gonna braze these until I have the new transom in there. I think if I can move this up and leave this limber, it'll make it easy to put the boards in there. These are my boards. We have to trace these out. We have the stern bracket off. Use a nice little drill bit here. Okay, so now in order to get this in here, I'm gonna get these nails off. Nail right here, nail right here. I put, this brazing wasn't terrible. It's kind of caked on there. I know it's bad, but I put JB Weld along the seams of it